Hi, my name is Anwar Hussain and I teach analytics course at Skillspire.
I'm Samia Ahmed and I'm an instructor for the full stack web development course here at Skillspire.
First of all, sometimes they're just students, they just want to learn. Sometimes they actually have a career transition goal in mind.
He teach with the information very clearly. Even my English is not good, but I still catch up with his information, his document.
Learning front-end to back-end development, and for me personally, I want to focus on the front-end development side, but what I'm learning here is that there is actually so much value in learning the full-scale development.
So in terms of preparing students for the industry, we really try and give them both the work and the environment that could mimic what the working life is going to look like. So the way that we structure kind of the classroom setting and have them sit together, have them pair program on assignments. So trying to make it as collaborative as possible so that they get used to the idea of working on a team and coming up with a solution together.
So one thing I like to say to my students is, once you are my student, you are always my student.
And then we'll bring in panels of people, people that are currently working at these companies that can give them some advice on how to go about applying to these places. We try and bring in recruiters for them to talk to. So we really try and set them up with as many resources as possible.